So today has officially been 2 years since I quit my 9-to-5 job. Now in this video, I want to take you through the whole journey on how I was able to quit my 9-to-5 job as an electrical engineer, and more importantly, how I can help you guys quit your 9-to-5 job and achieve financial freedom and the mentality you need to be able to do so. Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and the purpose of this channel is to help you build a full-time passive income business so you can achieve financial and time freedom. And I'm coming out with videos almost every single day on how you can start an online business, how you can achieve financial freedom, how to start an affiliate business from the ground up. So if you want to learn exactly how, please subscribe to my channel and let's get into the video. All right, everyone. So I'm super excited about today's video because I want to take you through the complete journey on how I started on the path to quitting my 9-to-5 job, the mentality, what I was thinking during it. And honestly, there was a lot of failures when I wanted to quit my job. Now, let me kind of take you back before I started my affiliate marketing business. Okay. To be honest, guys, I started in entrepreneurship and selling things when I was in elementary school. I started out by going to Walmart, buying those gum bags and selling those, little pieces of gum for 25 cents to my elementary school friends in my classroom. Now, as I got older, I continued to do this. I would sell candy bars in middle school, and in high school, I would sell DVDs, CDs. So I always had this entrepreneurial spirit. I always like to sell things. I like to help people out with solutions. Now, after high school, I kind of forgot all about that because I was just focused on college. I was just focused on getting my degree in electrical engineering. Now, of course, most of you have been taught by your parents or by society that you need to go to college, you need to get a good job and retire at 65 years old, okay? So that's what I did. I took the advice that everybody told me and I went to college. So I totally forgot about building businesses, about selling things, anything like that, okay? Because I was focused on school. Now, I got my degree in electrical engineering. Once that happened, I finally got my dream job, right? So I got my dream job as an electrical engineer, and I started working that job. I started out at around $60,000 per year, which at the time I was so excited. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm making so much money, right? And as I started working this job, I realized that I wasn't really happy, okay? But I didn't really want to say it, right? I wanted to be grateful for the opportunity that God had given me to go to college, to get a good job. So I didn't want to be ungrateful, right? Now, as the years went by, as the months went by, I started to notice this trend. And basically, I would see people at my job, older people, 50, 60 years old, getting ready to retire. They worked all these years to finally live their life, to finally have financial and time freedom. And I realized that's not what I want. Why do I have to wait till I'm 50, 60 years old to have the life of my dreams, okay? Now, I started realizing this back in 2016. So about 2 years into my job. Once I realized this, I went down the make money online rabbit hole, right? We go to Google, we go to YouTube, and we type in how to make money online, right? I'm sure 95% of you have done that when, looking for an online opportunity. So I literally have tried everything that you guys can think of, right? There's the survey websites. I've done MLM. I got into cryptocurrency. I got into Forex trading. And I would buy these courses, right? I would buy these multiple courses to learn these different strategies. I started an e-commerce business, an Amazon drop shipping, eBay drop shipping, where you go to like Burlington's, buy clothes, and then you drop ship them on eBay. Literally everything that you can think of, right? And I had tried all these business models, and unfortunately for me at the time, I failed at every single one of them. Not only that, I had spent money on courses. I had spent money on, ads, learning the actual business model, the websites, everything that it took to, build those websites, right? My biggest, I would say, failure would be building an e-commerce store, right? Not saying e-commerce is a bad thing, but at the time I didn't have the right mindset to be able to be successful with it, okay? Basically, as I went on this journey, I started failing at every single thing that I tried, and I was like, oh man, I'm never gonna be able to quit my job. I'm never gonna be able to find that one thing that's gonna get me out. And this really kind of set me back, right? Because up to this point, I had only seen failure, right? Every business model that I tried, I would lose money on the courses, I would lose money on building the websites, whatever it was, right? Whatever I was doing, I would continue to lose money. As I kept failing at these business models, I got into a lot of debt because I was using credit cards to buy courses, to use it for my businesses, and eventually got into negative $1,200 in my bank account. Literally, this was May 2019, and I couldn't pay my mortgage, okay? I was just like, I just can't make this work. Nothing is working for me, even though I've tried everything. It's been like, 3 years, and I've been trying every little thing, spending all this money. Who knows how much money I've spent at this point, and I just keep losing money. So I took a few weeks off, and then I finally found a new business model that I saw. It was called affiliate marketing. At this point, I had never heard of it, okay? I was like, okay, this is cool because now I don't have to have a product. I don't have to have my own website. I could literally promote someone else's product, right? It was really intriguing to me because I wanted to be successful. I wanted to leave my 9-to-5 job, but I didn't have a product, right? And when I would go create a product, I would spend all this time and it just wasn't working for me. So that's when I found affiliate marketing. Now, that's when my journey began of quitting my 9-to-5 job. I started my affiliate marketing business in May of 2019. Now, this is where I made a huge mental shift on how I was going to leave my job. With all those other business models, they all work, okay? Not saying they don't work, but the problem was my mindset. I wanted to get rich quick overnight. That's the reason why I failed. So when I started affiliate marketing, I told myself, okay, I'm not playing around anymore. I'm not going to retire when I'm 65 years old. I need to put actual work into this business, and I need to work at this like it's a real business and not a hobby. So when I started that mental shift in May of 2019, I started to build this business relatively quickly, okay? So, I started posting videos every single day on YouTube. For me, I had to get up at 3:30 every single morning to post a video. I didn't even edit my videos, guys. Go back to my old YouTube videos, and they're totally raw, totally uncut, because I didn't have the time to do that, right? And for me, I told myself I need to create a video every single day because I wanted to get good at YouTube. I wanted to build my personal brand, and I didn't have money to get started, right? So I had to use my time and I had to use social media to grow my following when I first started. Now, one thing to note is within 9 months, I was able to quit my job, but it was a really difficult 9 months, okay? Because what happened was, if you think about it, right? You're posting videos every single day and you're not seeing any results. Like even the first month, I was like, oh my gosh, I don't see any results. Nothing is happening. I barely have a few hundred subscribers. Like I'm not seeing any commissions come in. All these things started to kind of weigh in on me, right? And I started thinking about all the times I failed, but it was different, right? Because I knew that I was going to build this asset. I was going to build my email list. I was going to build my business for the long term. And I wasn't in that get rich quick mindset. So obviously I would have setbacks where I would not believe in myself and I would think of myself as a failure. But at the end of the day, I did have the long-term mindset and I knew that I was going to break through one day. So I continued to do that every single day. And I want you guys to realize that I did the boring stuff for a long time. And when I say the boring stuff, I mean like do the thing that you need to do, right? Most people get started with a program or a process, and what happens is they have shiny object syndrome, right? Where they see a different product, see a different method, they forget about what they're doing or what they started, okay? So for me, it was YouTube. I had to build my YouTube channel. I had to get that off the ground. So my main focus was on that, right? I didn't have any shiny object syndrome. I tried not to, right? And I was just focused down on building that YouTube channel. Now, about 6 months into my affiliate marketing journey, this is when I finally started to see some results. I got my first high ticket commissions. I got my first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, and things started to pick up. Things started to exponentially rise. And during this time, I had a daughter on the way. This was my first child. And honestly, I really think that she gave me that extra push to continue to grow my online business so I could have that time freedom with my wife and with my daughter. So I always give credit to her, to my daughter Avea, because she was always the one that I believe pushed me that extra edge, right? When I wanted to quit. Of course, my wife has always been so supportive of everything I've done, even though I failed so many times. So thank you, baby. I really appreciate your support. I couldn't have done it without you because you supported me through this time, no matter how many times I failed, how much money I lost. you knew that one day I was gonna break through. So thank you so much for my family and my daughter, my wife. Just you guys changed my life, okay? Now, that being said, guys, after 6 months, that's when I started to gain that momentum. And momentum is literally the most important thing in your business. It takes a long time to get the ball rolling, right? You're pushing the ball up the hill, right? And it's really hard, right? There's a lot of friction, a lot of weight coming down on you. But at the end of the day, once you get that ball over the mountain, the ball starts to roll. This is when momentum is on your side. But at the beginning, momentum's not on your side. And that's where most people fail, because they never have the long-term mindset to continue to have that momentum. So that was a big breakthrough for me, was that momentum. Once I got the momentum rolling about 6 months in, that's when I started to see more and more results, okay? But it took a while to get to that point. This is making videos every single day, learning from, my courses and my mentors, and doing the things that I knew I had to do until I saw those results. So after the 6 months, 7, 8, 9 months, I realized that my business was not going to stop. It was going to continue to grow. It was going to continue to gain momentum as long as I kept pushing it. So on month 9, I quit my job in March of 2020. This is right before all the crazy stuff happened. You guys know what happened in March of 2020. At the time I was a little nervous, but I knew that I was doing all the right things, and I quit my 9-to-5 job. Literally one of the best days of my life, besides, getting married to my wife, children being born. And of course, the biggest thing that ever happened to me was becoming a born again believer and accepting Jesus Christ into my heart. But quitting my 9-to-5 job, guys, was literally one of the biggest things that I've ever done. I never thought I could do it. So I really wanted to create this video to kind of give you perspective on what I really went through to quit that 9-to-5 job. It was not easy, not even close to being easy. But at the end of the day, this is the most amazing thing that I've ever done as far as like worldly things. Not only the money's amazing, but the best part about it is the time and the financial freedom. I can't tell you how amazing it is to be able to get up and go wherever I want, whenever I want to do it, because I'm the business owner now. I control when I take my time off. I don't have to work if I don't want to, but I did a lot of work in the beginning to get to this point. Now, that being said, guys, I hope this video was of value. And again, the purpose of my channel is to help you do the exact same thing. I want to help you quit your 9-to-5 job. I want to give you my exact blueprint to be able to get started. I don't want you to fail for years like I did. I want you to get up and running and get started. Now, that being said, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I have multiple programs to help you get started. I have my 3-day challenge. I have Freedom Breakthrough, but I want to be 100% real with you. Those are not going to work for you if you're not going to have the right mindset, because I tried lots and lots of programs and I never succeeded. And that's not because of the programs. That's because my mindset wasn't right at the time. So before you join any program, whether it's mine or someone else's, please get your mindset right. Look at this as a long-term business and something that you're going to work at until you make it happen, right? There's a big saying in a shirt that we have called, if it doesn't break you, you break through. So if don't get broken down by this whole industry, you're going to break through. You're going to quit your 9-to-5 job. You're going to find that financial freedom. So I hope this helps, guys. I hope this video was of value. If you have any questions at all, please comment down below. And of course, if you do want to get started with me, I do have a 3-day business breakthrough challenge that is designed to help you get started with affiliate marketing. More importantly, help you get on the path to leaving your 9-to-5 job. With that being said, we'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. God bless, and we'll see you soon.